Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
Today is the day Ike's supposed to come get the car. He said he about an hour away from me, so we'll be putting the wheels on once he get here. Also, he gonna bring the trim for the windshield and the trim to go around the drip rail and the back glass. So we're gonna try to clean the trim up because I got some of it, but it need polishing, cleaning up. We're gonna try to do that. Also, put the wheels on, see how the wheels look since I painted it. So once you get here, let me show you the wheels for those that haven't seen them, which I already done test fitted them before I painted the car. But the wheels out here, just brought them out. 24-inch Ruccis. Once you get here, we'll put them on the car. All right, we got Ro.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all know who it is.
Ike in the building this time.
He done made it. About to put the trim on. The trim and the wheels. Y'all see Ro? He over here eating his breakfast.
Brothers are champions, man. Brothers are champions.
I got the trim out here. Try to clean it up a little before we put it on. Do the best we can.
Yeah, we're doing the best we can. What we got?
Yeah.
What we got?
All right, we got the trim on. It took us a minute to put it on. It was giving us a little problem, especially this windshield trim around it. But we finna pull it out, put the wheels on now. Y'all see Sprayway done got Ike.
It's BNR.
Done put Ike to work.
Okay, BMR.
Out here in this hot sun.
Hey man, you got me bowled up.
Yeah, we got one wheel on. We're working on this one here. Then we got the back.
Man, I like them mirrors.
Roll back in business.
Yeah, man.
Sneak peek. Y'all see, Ro got another project over here. Yeah, you better tighten up. Look, everybody tell him, you better tighten up. You better tighten up. Everybody saying you better tighten up.
Oh. I'm gonna be on that thing first thing in the morning.
Y'all hear that?
Oh yeah, first thing in the morning. I know it's time now. Hey, it is time now, y'all. But you know, hey, man, I was on a long vacation for.
So he was on a long vacation.
And that was hell on me. It took me down through there. But look here. That's why I'm moving so slow to do, y'all.
Alright, I'll cut you back on when we get the back wheels on.
Damn, that thing just goes right on.
All right, we got the wheels on. Got it out in the sun also.
Never stop.